Hello, I hope you are all well. Yeah, so the purpose of this video is just to show you how to use our video course, okay, and how to get access to all the videos and resources. So it depends on obviously what kind of course you bought. If you bought the full course, it will be everything here except for the Z trainer folders. That's for us. Um, Otherwise, you have everything here. But if you buy, say, the literature and film workshop, that will be the first two. If you buy the speaking workshop, that will be the last one. All right, so I'm just going to quickly show you one of them. So once you click in the speaking workshop, you will get all the resources here available. And there will be one with the resources which is called video recording. So we want to click this, which is a PDF file, and I can click like part one and two, which is the first part and the second part, and the part three, which is the third part. So let's just try one of them. Okay, once you click the link, it will redirect you to our video website. And then you click the link here, you click the start, it will ask you to enter the password. So now that's where you just click this and copy and paste. And then you can see like you start watching already. And here there's also another function where you can control the playback speed. For example, you want the one time or 1.5 times if you're a quick listener, or two times. Yeah. And the good thing about this is that once you've done this, the second time you want to get access to the same videos, they don't ask you for password anymore. So you get access to the video. If you're using the same device, you don't need to enter the password twice. All right. So that's part of the video course. And in addition to the videos, we also give you all the worksheets and everything. But I would recommend you to basically go through the video course, because in the video course, obviously, we tell you when to use what and what is for. So these will all come in handy. All right. So hope you will enjoy our video course, and the video course will be available until the 25th of July for the whole time, 24 hours, 7 days a week. Thank you.